know what? I get married either way. So we're just gonna go with that.
Board train, take it east, find myself again. Western winds drove me there, lonely stars take me back home.
We nicknamed the guys that we dated.
Tissue.
And yeah, I'm really gonna go there, girls. So the only nickname that I'm actually gonna tell is Justin's. Justin came along and we absolutely fell in love with him. We thought he was great. I think at one time we even proposed you as a group so that you would get the hint, ask Lauren to marry you so that we could keep you.
No, I'm not worried at all. No, it never rains on a wedding. Just like the golf course, it never rains on the golf course.
Out of all of the guys, even my husband included, you got the best nickname because your nickname was Mr. Wonderful. She's the last of us to get married, and she got the guy with the best nickname for sure. So here's to Lauren and her Mr. Wonderful.
Now you will feel no rain. For each of you will be shelter for the other. You will feel no cold. For each of you be warmth to the other. There will be no more loneliness. For each of you will be a companion to the other. Now you are two bodies, but there is one life before you.
Lonely stars take me back home.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
One day, Justin got a new job. He was going to Tulsa, and he came down to Tulsa, and for a long time, I wasn't so sure he really liked Tulsa.
I can find my way. Just leave me be.
But then one day, someone finally walked into his life too. And it became apparent really quickly that just like what we knew about him, he realized it about her. And he didn't want her to leave.
See you soon someday.